This is Lakshmi Prasad from Rajajinagar PySpiders. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
I am LAXMAN H PAWAR from BCA. I completed my Bachelor of Computer Application in Chetna BCA College, and then I get incubation student from our college. Then I come to the PySpiders, which is the month of September, and then the first batch will started Python, which is taken by Lakshmi sir. That Python batch is very nice, and then he will say something to us related to the topic, and SQL. After that SQL batch will started, and then the sir name is Modi sir. And that class was very nice to learn from him as well as anything. And then Django class will started. Will taken by Alex sir, and that was a nice class to learn how to connect a database, all those things. And then after that, web technology sir will taken by Darshan sir.
So that which are all activities helping to crack interview?
To do presentation as well as give a mock interview in front of sir. That gives me a confidence to crack interview, and I got selected. The joining date will be 27th March 2015.
Congratulations.
Thank you.